Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time watching my video, hello, my name is Lonyea, and in today's video we are going to be doing some neon fun goodness. So if that is something that you're interested in, then please keep on watching. So I recently got this neon pigment stack from Fleeky Friday. I forget who, I saw a makeup artist using like this pigment stack and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that because I have just been dying for like neon everything, like literally neon shirts, neon earrings, neon makeup, neon everything. So this stack has hot pink fuchsia, it has like a scarlet orange red, it has a neon green, it has a neon orange, neon yellow, purple, and then blue. So this is a pretty nice stack. It's got quite a few colors. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's a loose pigment. I'm not like the biggest fan of like loose pigments. I personally don't feel like they're like the best, you know, like I don't know, but so I'm going to do like a neon green, like just all over kind of like messy kind of look. I think I might add wing liner to the look. I'm not really sure yet, but I think I might. So if that is something that you're interested in, keep watching again. If you haven't already gone ahead and subscribed though, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also tap the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I post a video. And first thing I'm going to do is prime. And I'm not sure if I want to use my Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base or if I want to use my concealer. Because I know for sure like my concealer won't steer me wrong with the pigment. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in D40. And if you hear a little clacking on the wood floors, that's Ruben. He's over here for a week while his parents go to the Dominican Republic for a mission trip. That's Jack's parents. And so we have to keep him for a week. And his little paws on wood floors are so annoying. I have to like shut the bedroom door whenever Jack leaves because he'll just like walk around the house and like looking for Jack. So I put him in the room with me and we both sleep until like 11:30. So yeah. Okay, so I am actually going to apply a little bit of like color in my crease. I'm just gonna whip out my Sephora Pro palette. I used this yesterday. I don't want to say in yesterday's video because I haven't even edited that video yet. But I used this yesterday and I actually fell back in love with it. I forgot why I put it away, actually because it's so big, that's probably why. But it's just a really beautiful neutral palette. It's the Sephora Pro Pigment palette in Warm. And I'm loving it. So I'm going to use this shade right here. It's the second from the top. Hold on. I need to tape this actually. This is the shade Clay. So I'm going to use the shade Clay and I'm just going to run this in my upper crease. And like I said, this is going to be like my transition shade. And this is like the only shade I'm going to use in the crease. And I'm using a JH30. It's like a really large, fluffy brush. Oh, why am I... Don't play me, camera. Don't play me. It's like a really large, fluffy brush. So that's the one shade I'm going to apply in my crease. I'm actually going to lay a little bit of the Essence, just a little bit of this down, because since I just applied that eyeshadow, and I want my pigment to have something to grasp onto. So I'm gonna use the lime green. I just hate how messy these are. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of like, okay. Okay, it's kind of hard to know which one you're opening. Okay, keep opening the orange. There we go. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm gonna use it out of the top. So I'm using this Moda shader brush. It's an M19. And I'm just going to pat it all over. Oh my gosh, you guys. So you definitely want to have like a sticky base down. And I'm so glad that I didn't use, I didn't do my face makeup because it is a pigment and pigments are very, very, very messy. But I'm just doing patting, like stamping, patting motions. And I do like that they're pigments, but I don't like that they're pigments. I like that they're pigments because you can do multiple different things with them. Like you can make an eyeliner, or you can make, you know, lipstick, or you can make, like, you can put like a bunch, like you can put any type of filler with it to make whatever you want. But it's also, I don't like it because I don't like pigments because they're messy. Very messy. So now I'm just going to use the brush just to kind of blend. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my gosh, this is so bright. Oh my gosh, I have a little patchiness like right here. A little bit of patchiness. I'm just like gradually bringing it higher and higher because I kind of want it to be higher. It's so bright on my viewfinder, like it's so bright. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to do some eyeliner. I am going to use this Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen, and it is waterproof, let me tell you. I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing. Okay, you guys, we are back. We are neoned out. Like, talk about monochromatic. You can't even see my little ponytail holder, but I have a scrunchie, neon eyes, neon earrings, and my top is neon. So we're monochromatic today, but that's okay. For the lips, I'm going to use my ColourPop Shayla lip liner. It's in BFF number 4. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'm going to pop on the NYX Strictly Vinyl liquid gloss, lip gloss in the shade Sugar Mama. Love this stuff. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I actually really like how it turned out. the neon like smoky eye type thing is just really easy, really pretty. I ended up popping a little bit of highlighter underneath the brow bone just to give it like a little pop of highlight. And then I popped in an inner corner. I did it off camera, don't know why, but I used the Subculture palette and I use Electric. That is the only shade that I use out of this palette because I still have the original palette. I probably, like, I really like this palette and I would rebuy this palette if it was better quality, like if I knew for sure it was better quality, but I use Electric out of here because it's like that lime green kind of pop of inner corner. Love how this look turned out. Like, I am loving it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, make sure you guys check out more lashes. I did end up popping on more lashes in Drama Queen. So if you guys want these lashes, she restocked Drama Queen and, what's the other one? The ones I wore yesterday. Drama Queen and, wait, these are Drama Queen. Soul Snatcher. These are Soul Snatcher. I wore Drama Queen yesterday. She restocked both of these. Excuse me. So make sure you guys go to her website. I think they're about 10 bucks a pop, so not very expensive, and those are my two favorite lashes. I like Drama Queen, I like Whiplash, I like Soul Snatcher, I like number 27, which I'm not sure if she's keeping those because those were her birthday lashes, so I'm not sure, but I love those 4 lashes. So if I had to tell you 4 to pick up for more lashes, Drama Queen, Soul Snatcher, Whiplash, and number 27. Love those. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.